Okay guys, so welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Meron tayong Adventure na 2017 model. So ang gagawin natin ay mag-adjust tayo ng injection pump timing kasi low power siya. Maximum speed lang niya ay 80 to 110 km per hour.
Ayan, nakakala si Dito yung turbo ah.
Senta lang talaga.
Senta lang talaga oh. Nakuha lang. Pangating di ko nasilin yan to.
Sagad na yung silin niya to.
Oo, yan. Lalabas ng konti.
So, adjust natin yung ating injection pump timing. First thing to do, tatanggalin natin yung battery. Then, itong timing belt cover. Gagamit tayo ng pre-stroke adjusting adapter. Okay. Okay guys, so na-remove na natin battery. Next natin tatanggalin yung timing belt cover. Okay guys, so disconnect natin yung power connector ng ating blue plug para easily na matanggal natin yung ating timing belt cover. Okay. So yan, remove na natin yung ating timing belt cover. So your 2017 model tong sasakyan natin mga guys. So 12,000 plus yung ating odometer. So very low mileage. 7 years old na yung ating sasakyan. So yung condition ng ating timing belt still good condition. Then ang next step natin ay i-rotate natin yung ating crankshaft. Lagay natin sa top dead center. Okay guys, so set natin yung timing ng ating makina, yung setting ng timing belt. So itong timing mark ng camshaft sprocket, kailan natin doon sa stationary timing mark. Set natin sa top dead center yung number 1 piston. Then i-align natin yung ating crankshaft sa timing mark. Okay. Okay guys, so i-set na natin yung ating timing belt. Ilagay na natin sa top dead center yung ating number 1 piston. Naka-align na yung ating crankshaft sprocket sa stationary. Then yung ating crankshaft pulley naka-align na rin. Ginamitan natin ng box wrench na 19 mm. Okay guys, so I align the timing marks of the crankshaft pulley, the camshaft sprocket. I set the number 1 cylinder to the top dead center position. Next, we'll remove the timing check valve here in our injection pump. Okay guys, so nag-disconnect tayo ng ating fuel line para malaw tayong magtanggal ng timing check valve plug ng ating injection pump timing. Okay guys, so loosen natin yung ating nut ng ating delivery pipe ng ating injection pump. So gagamit tayo ng open rinse na combination. Okay.
Turn this room
So guys, tatanggalin natin yung timing check plug ng ating injection pump. Magamit tayo ng 12mm na socket saka extension. So kanina nalusan na natin. Okay. So ingat lang na hindi malaglag yung washer. May washer yan na kasama yung ating plug. Okay, so yung plug, yung gasket naiwan. Ito yung ating plug, timing check plug. Okay guys, so insert na natin yung ating pre-stroke measuring adapter. Insert na natin sa ating injection pump. Okay yan guys, so na-insert na natin yung ating pre-stroke measuring adapter. Okay mga guys, so next procedure natin, i-rotate natin yung crankshaft clockwise para ma-move natin yung number 1 cylinder approximately 30 degrees before top dead center. Okay, okay mga guys, so na rotate na natin yung ating crankshaft clockwise to move the number 1 cylinder approximately 30 degrees before compression top dead center. Then we will set the needle of dial gauge to 0. So our stationary timing mark of our camshaft sprocket, so here, then we will count 1 2 3 4. So 4 teeth align in our stationary timing mark of our camshaft sprocket. Okay, then we will set to 0 the needle of our dial gauge. Okay, it's already in the 0. After the needle set to 0, check that the needle doesn't move. If the crankshaft is turned slightly 2 to 3 degrees in both clockwise and counterclockwise. Then next procedure, we will turn the crankshaft clockwise to align the number 1 cylinder to 9 degrees after top dead center. Okay, okay, we will turn the crankshaft to clockwise to align the number 1 cylinder 9 degrees after top dead center. Okay, yan mga guys, nasa 9 degrees yung ating crankshaft pulley right after that top dead center. Okay, then check the value. Standard value is 1 plus or minus 0.03 mm. So If the needle is outside the standard value, turn the crankshaft clockwise to align the number 1 cylinder to 9 degrees after top dead center. Check that the value indicated on the dial gauge is at standard value. So this is the standard value, 1 plus or minus 0.03 mm. If the needle is outside the standard value, adjust the injection pump timing by the following procedure. Loosen the injection pipe union nuts 4 pieces on the injection pump. Do not remove the union nuts. To adjust the injection pump, tilt the injection pump to the left and right and adjust the needle on the dial gauge so that the display value is uniform. Okay guys, so ito na